Do you want to turn heads and feel confident in any outfit you wear? Whether it's a casual day out or a special event, learning how to style yourself the right way can make all the difference. And guess what? It's not just about the clothes, it's about how you wear them. Hey fashion lovers, welcome back to KZ Fashion, your go-to place for real confidence boosting style and beauty tips. If you are new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button because we are all about unlocking your best style and boosting your confidence. In today's video, I am going to share with you the top tips on how to look attractive in clothes. We will cover everything from picking the right outfits, accessorizing smartly, understanding your body type, and even those little hacks that make you look instantly polished. Grab your coffee, get comfy, and unlock the secrets to look amazing in anything you wear. First of all, it's important to understand your body type and choose flattering clothes. The first step to looking amazing in clothes is understanding your body type. This helps you pick pieces that highlight your best features. Are you an hourglass, pear, apple, or rectangle? Understanding your shape helps you pick the clothes that highlight your assets. Highlight your best features. If you love your legs, try shorter skirts. If you love your shoulders, opt for off-shoulder tops. Play to your strengths. Wear clothes that flatter your body type. Classic cuts and structured fits are your best friends. Avoid overly baggy styles and instead focus on silhouettes that hug your body in the right places. Stick to classic cuts. Timeless pieces like A-line dresses, well-fitted blazers, and straight leg pants never go out of style and always look polished. So here's a tip. If you have an hourglass figure, consider high-waisted pants and wrap dresses. For pear shapes, A-line skirts and fitted tops balance your proportions beautifully. Let's talk about mastering the art of layering and fabric selection. Layering isn't just for warmth, it's a style power move. So a tip is to add dimension with jackets. Throwing on a leather jacket, denim or blazer instantly makes any outfit look more put together. To layer without adding bulk. Start with thin fabrics and build up with thicker ones. A turtleneck under a blazer or a sweater over a button down can look stylish and sophisticated. Choose the right fabrics. Understanding fabric types is key. Go for quality materials like cotton, wool, silk, and linen. They drape better and last longer. So what to avoid? Avoid busy prints and textures. Too many prints can overwhelm your look. Stick to simple patterns and solid colors to maintain elegance. So, question is how to style the layers. So, a solid color for your base makes it easier to add patterns or textures with your additional layers. Think beyond just clothes. Layering isn't limited to shirts and jackets. Add accessories like hats, scarves, and gloves. These not only add warmth but also introduce interesting patterns, textures, and colors that elevate your look. Define your shape with a belt. Worried about looking bulky? A simple way to maintain your silhouette is by adding a belt around your waist. This not only creates definition but also keeps your layer neatly in place for a more structured look. Mind your hems for a polished look. When layering, pay attention to the length of each piece. Shorter layers should always be underneath longer ones to maintain a streamlined look. This staggered effect not only looks stylish but also prevents your outfit from appearing messy. Comes the most important thing, choosing the right colors and footwear. Color can completely change how you look and feel. So it's important to find your undertone. Are you warm, cool, or neutral? Picking clothes that match your undertone makes your skin glow. Use neutrals as your base. Black, white, beige, and grey are perfect for building outfits that look classy and timeless. Add pops of color strategically. A bright scarf, handbag, or shoes can make a simple outfit pop. Question is how to choose the right color. So it's important to understand the clothing color wheel. It helps you understand how colors to each other and how you can combine them to create stunning outfits. The color wheel is divided into three main categories: primary, secondary, and tertiary colors. Primary colors are red, blue, and yellow. Secondary are green, orange, and purple, created by mixing two primary colors. Tertiary colors, these are formed by mixing a primary and a secondary color. Think of shades like magenta or tea. Then, understand the color temperature. Warm versus cool colors. Warm colors are red, orange, and yellow. These colors are vibrant and eye-catching, perfect for statement pieces. Cool colors, blue, green, and purple. These bring a calming, soothing effect to your outfit. Neutral colors, black, white, grey, and beige. They are foundation of any wardrobe and pair well with everything. So how to mix and match using the color wheel? Now that you understand the color wheel and color temperature, it's time to mix and match like a pro. Analogous colors. These are colors that sit next to each other on the wheel like blue and green. Pairing them creates a harmonious, relaxed glow. Complementary colors. These are opposite each other on the wheel like red and green or blue and orange. They create strong contrast and make each color pop. Try adding color schemes. These involve picking the colors that are evenly spaced on the wheel like red, yellow, and blue. This creates a bold, vibrant look. Now choosing footwear. Shoes can make or break an outfit. Invest in quality pairs that are both comfortable and stylish. It's important to match shoes with dress style. High heels or platform shoes are ideal for evening gowns, while for casual wear like denim dresses, t-shirts, or shirt dresses, opt for comfort-focused options like leather slippers, sneakers, or ballet flats. Style. Fit, tailoring, and strategic buying. The perfect fit is everything when it comes to looking attractive. Tailor your clothes. Even a simple t-shirt can look high-end if it fits perfectly. Don't be afraid to visit a tailor. Avoid baggy or ill-fitting clothes. Unless it's intentional for a streetwear look, baggy clothes often look unpolished. Buy strategically and build an interchangeable collection. Focus on versatile pieces that you can mix and match. This allows for more outfits with fewer items. Take care of your clothes. Well-maintained clothes always look better. Follow care instructions and avoid overwashing. So, there you have it, the secrets to looking amazing in any outfit. Remember, it's not just about wearing nice clothes, it's about understanding what works for you and wearing it with confidence. So, understand your body type and dress to enhance it. Master layering and accessorying. Choose colors that complement your skin tone. Prioritize fit and consider tailoring when necessary. The real secret to looking attractive in clothes is confidence. When you feel good, you look good. Own your style, embrace your body, and wear your outfits like they were made for you. If you found these tips helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comments which tip you are going to try first. I would love to hear from you.